ocean. Oh. What's up, bro? So we are in the first activity for me, at least. This guy, he already dived like 3 or 4 times. So yeah, we are on the way to... Yeah, we are on the way to Bagatelle. We are going to the mall by water. And yeah, so... Yeah, finally we found the Niagara with Tiger. Boom shakalaka. Waiting for this thing. Right there. Qu'est-ce que là que je prends avant ça à battre les yeux là, tout le monde la tête. Moi c'est un peu poussé. But the sun is super hot, so this is the, how you can call it, the rapids. So pretty much this is the waterfall. This look like the Niagara. Do you know that? The waterfall. So yeah. We are going through rough times, so Niagara, Tiger. The black pearl. Woo!